Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure that you are subscribed down below. Y'all, let's get into this video. Guys, this hair right here, y'all know I love me a really good blonde wig. Now, this is a highlighted blonde wig from Wowafrican.com. And the color on this wig is absolutely stunning. So this hair is a 13 by 6 inch HD lace frontal wig, and guys, look how transparent that unit is, so you know it can match perfectly with any skin tone. So the hair is 150% density, and it is a wavy type hair, and this is just straight out of the package that we're looking at. Like, guys, I am absolutely obsessed with how natural the hair lining is. It is already pre-bleached for you, pre-plucked. Everything is already done, so all you got to do is make sure that the top of your unit is flat. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some wax stick, which you can get on the website. So that's the Flyaway Wax Tamer, and then I put that on top of the parting, and then I go in with a hot comb. Like, you need a handy dandy hot comb whenever you're styling your units. Like, if you're someone that is getting into wigs, or you wear a lot of wigs or whatever, you need a hot comb. Your hot comb will make your wig look so much natural. After using a hot comb for the last 2 years, girl, like, I never went back. Like, the front will be flat and natural. Now, this is a Undetectable HD Lace, so I'm about to show y'all how this is going to be looking without even doing the ball cap method. Like, I'm a lazy girl. I don't have time to be doing the extra step with gluing down and spraying down and this down and yada yada yada. Like, I ain't got time for that. So in the inside, this part right here, that band on the inside, you can wear the wig glueless if you wish to, as long as that band is snug on your head. Like, you don't have to even glue this down. So girlies, like, I'm showing y'all to cut the lace off the back of your wig, because I know some of y'all be forgetting and be wearing that ish outside, the wind be blowing, all that lace in the back be showing. So make sure to cut that off. So I'm just showing you guys how I put on my units to make sure that everything is aligned, and then I just do a little shift motion, make sure everything good. And girl, look at the lace. Look how laid the lace is without us doing anything, and look how snug it is on my head without cutting the lace off of this unit. Like, oh my god, let me calm down. So my next method is, I do this with all my wigs. So I cut 2 little pieces on the side. This is gonna help me to tack down my wig way easier and make it faster and easier, simple, all that good stuff. So I'm just showing you guys how natural the lace is and how transparent it is. Even though we're not doing the ball cap method, you want to be careful with your wig cap in the back not showing too much, because this is how good the lace is. You can see everything through that lace. So first thing, I gotta cut off the sides to make sure that it fits around my ear almost to perfection. Like, you want to make sure that that fits. So you cut off the lace on the sides first, and then align everything, and then you go in with melting your lace. Now, I don't use any type of glue to tack down my wigs. I like my stuff to be easy removal process. I like my edges to be where my edges need to be, okay? Because when I take this wig off, I want to make sure that hair is still there. So I go in with the EBIN, and I've opted to use this as opposed to the Got2b, because I don't know, it just gives a nicer finish for me, and the hole is so much better without being harmful as well. So you can still use the Got2b, but the EBIN has been my girl for some time now, and I'm gonna stick beside her for now. So the process is always the same. I spray under the lace, then put the lace on top of the spray or the liquid situation, and then I use my blow dryer and just put that on for a couple of seconds until it is completely dry. Now we're going to go in with cutting off the lace, and we're trying to cut as close to the hairline as possible. And also, universally, wigs do have a widow's peak. I don't have a widow's peak. I don't want the wig to change the features of my face, so I have the middle of my hair goes back, and then my edges on the side are more forward. So I like to go in with that curve situation in the front, just to make sure that it still looks like me. A lot of time when people wear wigs, like it be changing their whole face. Like, I need my face to look the same. Okay, so I do that extra cutting in the middle just to make sure that it looks like how my natural hairlining will look. And then guys, I have opted not to do the swoop diddy doop. Y'all know I like a good swoop, so I'm like, you know what, the girlies want to see the wig laid as is without the extra swoops, so I'm gonna give y'all this one time without the swoops. Okay, I'm doing this for y'all. So we're gonna go in with this elastic band that I got at my local beauty supply, so you can get it on Amazon. And this is like the tension method with the elastic band on top of the lace. It will allow the lace to melt even better, like it will melt into the skin. So right now I want to do a layering situation in the front. Like I wanted to frame my face as opposed to just being long all around. So we're just gonna take the scissors and I'm going downward motion. Like I don't even know how to describe it, y'all just have to see. So this is how I create the layer in the hair. Then I'm gonna go in with my curling iron just to curl that back up, or just to give it a little bit of curl situation, some bang 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 in the front to frame my face how I would like it to. Then I'm just gonna go in with certain areas, like wherever I feel like curling up. Like the hair already came in the package all curly, and I didn't pre-wash this hair, but if you co-wash the hair, you're probably gonna have to put those curls back in. You can use a wand iron or just a curling iron. You just want to do something light because it's naturally wavy, so it is supposed to dry wavy, and just to give it a more uniform look, you go in with your curling iron. Now once I'm done, I'm just gonna fluff the hair out, get it to frame me as best as possible. You know, we want it to have that effortless look. So I'm removing the band now, and I want to see how she is looking in the front. And girl, she's just doing the do. If you're wearing makeup and you want to touch up the front, you can do that. But honestly, if you're not wearing makeup, it's supposed to, because it's a HD undetectable lace, it's supposed to melt in your skin where it looks like skin. So you don't even need to put makeup on there unless you're doing like the parting where your scalp is, to give it a more scalp like look, especially if you're wearing a different color wig cap underneath. But right now I'm like, girl, I don't want to be all boring and leave the hair out just like that. I'm feeling like to give it a little bit of updo. I was like, with the black that I'm wearing with this hair and the gold accessories and the melanation in my skin just be popping and ish, I'm like, girl, we need to create an updo. So we're gonna do a half down half up type of situation, but not really. We don't want it to be neat. So I'm just gonna take this bobby pin, I'm gonna swirl the hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the bobby pin right up in there, just one bobby pin, and just stick it in, and it stayed in. And we just want an unkept type of look that is just effortless. And she's giving beach wave, she's giving everything, guys. I am absolutely in love with this hair. I hope y'all can tell how ecstatic I am about this unit. All the details will be down in the description box below, also along with a coupon code that you can use on the website to get a little discount situation, you know, if you want to get this unit, because you need this unit in your life. Don't forget to subscribe if you've made it thus far in the video. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at @Chev. And I love y'all beautiful people so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye guys.